umaga, nagpadala tayo dito ng 4406. Ito yung BRP Suluan, and MRB 9701. Ito yung BRP Teresa Magbanwa. Kasama ang pamamalakaya, yung fish courier na namimigay ng yellow and also procure itong mga isdang huli nila. And while we were reaching out sa mga isda na nakascatter sa vicinity ng Bajo de Masinloc, we experienced itong tinatawag nating dangerous maneuver, blocking, and even they attempted to do water cannoning, no? Against 4406. Good thing, because of the seamanship skills ng ating mga tropa sa barko, we were not directly hit ng water cannon, and we were also able to prevent anything that they would attempt to ram or collide with our vessel.
Okay, pero ilan ho ba ang humahabol sa ating mga barko?
Well, for BRP Suluan, 2 barko ang humahabol sa kanya. Ito yung China Coast Guard 3104 and the PLA Navy War 4. At dahil nga sa paghabol nila, no, sila mismo yung nagbanggaan, no, itong pagitan ng PLA Navy warship at ng China Coast Guard vessel.